one where you just
like,
went in
I
and
didn't-
slow and like putted, like it actually wasn't horrible. I don't think your 102 is that great.
You turned your 89 when you bunny hopped into 104. Yeah.
And like shut me off the corner.
Yeah, just launched. When you bunny hopped, you had your left side up.
I was like, front left side in here with a hole, smash the rim.
Yeah. So Gab went over here, hit that hole, and I he come up. I was like, dude, don't ever do that again tonight.
Yeah.